Welcome to Lost Artistry YouTube. I am Bareface Brows, and we're going to be doing a lamination and lash lift today. And stick around to the end to see all the before and afters. So we'll do something a little bit different with your lashes. We'll kind of make it so that they're going out and then up. That way they're not touching the top of your brow bone here. And then for the brows, I'll probably leave some strays behind as well so that we can get them a little bit more symmetrical. Okay, that sums up our consultation process of the lash lift and tint and brow lamination with grooming. If you have any questions about either of the processes, pop them down in the comments. Thanks for watching.